Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to extend battery life on Lenovo LOQ 15. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to extend battery life on Lenovo LOQ 15, there are a couple of steps that you can do. So the first is use Lenovo Vantage battery settings. To use it, simply head over to your start menu and then type in Lenovo Vantage and simply open up the application. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is select the gaming settings from the left hand side menu of the options. And once you're inside there, you'll find the option that says thermal mode right here. Simply click on it and then here you'll be provided with a bunch of options. What you need to do is select balance mode. This will mostly use the laptop when it's plugged in and keeps the battery charged around 55 to 60% to prolong lifespan. For portable use, choose the best battery life instead of extreme performance, which is the performance mode. The next method is to head over and open up your start menu once again and then type in settings, which opens the system settings. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select system from the left hand side menu, and once you're inside there, select the option that says power and battery. Then once you're inside the power and battery option, all you gotta do now here is select power mode, and once you are inside there, all you gotta do now is select it and then set it to best power efficiency, now which enables laptop to use power efficiently. And you can also use the energy save mode right here and then set it to the percentage of your preference. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.